everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesign.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? Not, click the little blue button right there.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
Okay, I'm leaving work early because done. I even did most of my stuff for tomorrow, so gonna be a real fast day tomorrow, I think. I had said, because the other girl's going on vacation next week for legals and Mora, and I was gonna come in on Friday and do it. I don't think I'm gonna. I think it's gonna be okay. Go. Oh, for God's sake, lady. I freaking hate this town. Go to the light next time. Seriously. I know this is gonna take a hot second. Hang on. Well, that's the longest I ever had to sit there, and now I can't remember what I was gonna say. But anywho, I don't think I'm gonna come in on Friday because, I mean, I've pretty much done all my work for the week today and was left without stuff to do. So next week, even adding her stuff, I think I'm gonna be fine. Because I was finding stuff to do at certain points today, so I'll be fine. Just won't add any extra stuff next week. But here we are. We're gonna do our best, and I don't need to add stress to my life. So I'm going to go home. I'm gonna start working on pricing and packing. God damn it. This effing late every time. Ugh, never once made this late. Okay, so I'll be pricing and packing all day today. It's gonna be a boring video for you guys. Okay, so my family, we'll call them Wingus and Dingus, okay? Has decided that they are now working actively against me actually succeeding in my endeavors. My daughter decided she would like to go to homecoming at the neighboring school on Friday. And her dad, knowing what I would say, said, ask your mother. Because she wants to go to her friend's house after school and then walk across an extremely busy highway to get back to this other school. And I said, no, can't walk across that highway. 2 people have already died. 2 kids have already died walking across that highway. The answer is no. And then the other one, the dingus of the 2, I told him, after she screamed at me, told me she hated me, that I'm the worst mother, I'm mean. Let's see. What else was it? This house is trash. She's crying because I sent her to her room, told her she can't go because either I drop her off at homecoming, or she doesn't go. And she made a choice. And I told him, you know what? You didn't want her to go either, so next time, just say no and grow a pair, you know? And then I just spent the last hour and a half looking for these printing blocks. Because he's moving stuff. Stop freaking moving stuff, Jeff. I need to get this stuff done. And I asked Victoria to please do the dishes because we have no dishes. And because I came home a little bit early, my husband didn't make dinner. Because, well, you're home now. It's your turn to make dinner. I'm home so I can get some work done. Oh, no. I had to make dinner. Y'all. I'm about done with my family. I got one bin done. Oh, well, I had that other half bin that wasn't finished yesterday. And one bin. I should have got a lot more done, right? I got about an hour before I have to take the dog out and go to bed. Because the cats come up at 9 o'clock. And then I'm relegated to my bedroom. Because they're on a schedule. And then I came home and he'd taken her to Dairy Queen. There are Dairy Queen cups over here. There's the smoothie cup up here. I'm like, what the? I don't have time to clean this crap. So she did the dishes all the time, complaining that she fell on her back at school. Every mom needs like 10 of themselves, am I right? So I can't even say anything because I think normal moms on a normal day, I don't consider myself a normal mom. On any given day, this is a normal mom's day, right? This isn't a normal week. It's Junk Bonanza week. I have crap I have to do. And because I took this freaking job to help out, I'm now, it's eating into my time. Let's put it that way, right? It's eating into, it's 24 hours of my time. It's gone. And I'm getting zero assistance from Wingus and Dingus. As a matter of fact, Dingus is making it worse. Because he's actively moving the stuff that I'm like, it was right here. It was right in this bag right here at my feet. Hour and a half to find them. Because it's not like I'm running out of time or anything. I'm going to stop jaw-jacking and go wash the damn printing blocks so I freaking get this done. Okay, so that pile got bigger. Not as big as I would have liked. This pile got smaller. Well, different. So I'm going to get those priced and packed tomorrow. That's going in the garage. So this is all stuff that I'm not taking to Junk Bonanza. That's still packing material. That's my bag full of tags. So it's like, it's getting there. It's getting there. So hopefully tomorrow we get more done. And yeah, just more pricing and packing. We got this. We got this. This is happening. It'll be what it is. I mean, there's going to only be so much I can do. And then after that, we let it ride and hope we make some money. So thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junking. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.